A nationwide debate over immigration law raises one question. Should undocumented immigrants be entitled to due process when taken into custody? That question is gaining traction in our state tonight, not just because of the planned ICE detention centers, but also because of comments from Lieutenant Governor Micah Beckwith. At a town hall in Vigo County, Beckwith claimed that undocumented immigrants don't deserve due process, sparking backlash from immigration advocates who say the Constitution disagrees. Our Alex Almanza talked with an immigration attorney tonight who says that Beckwith's remarks don't just raise eyebrows, they raise legal red flags.
On Monday, Lieutenant Governor Micah Beckwith hosting another one of his signature town halls, this time in Vigo County, where comments about the rights of undocumented immigrants came under fire.
They don't have a right to see a judge.
Right.
They came here illegally.
Those comments made by Beckwith echo a larger sentiment from lawmakers on Capitol Hill: expedited removal and minimal judicial oversight for undocumented immigrants. It's a rhetoric that Rachel Van Tile with Exodus Refugee Immigration says is unconstitutional.
You know, the 1951 Refugee Convention and the 1967 Protection of Refugees, they both require us to provide people with an opportunity to present their case.
While undocumented immigrants don't have a right to stay in the U.S., the Constitution does guarantee them due process, meaning they're entitled to a hearing, the chance to present evidence, and the right to hire a lawyer, even if one isn't provided for them.
I'm going to tell you what I believe, why I believe it, and if you don't like the answer, I heard you, I just maybe don't agree with you. And so, and that's okay. We live in a country where it's okay to have civil disagreements.
Beckwith's remarks also drawing attention for a historical comparison.
I kind of wanted you to kind of listen to how Beckwith compares this to some historical events.
When the Japanese were bombing Pearl Harbor, did we give them due process to actually see a judge?
No, we put them in concentration camps.
They invaded our country.
I hear the counter to that, and she's absolutely right. No, we didn't provide the Japanese due process. We put people in internment camps and we rounded them up, and it is a stain on American history that we did that.
Now Van Tile says she's calling on Beckwith to retract his statements and for the governor to condemn the rhetoric.
These people are trying to do it the right way. They're showing up to their court hearings, they're showing up to their interviews, and you're arresting them there. You're not going after the people that are truly criminals.
Now, 13 News has reached out multiple times to both Beckwith and Governor Braun's office about those comments specifically, but neither responded to our requests for comment. In Indianapolis, Alex Almanza, 13 News.